how to change your default app for opening a file in macOS. So if you double click a file on your Mac and it always opens in the wrong app, you can change which app handles it by default. Right click on the file and you can do it one time or change the default. So if you go to open with, you can do it one time, for example Brave browser, and it's gonna open you the Brave browser, but you want to change it by default. So go to Get Info and navigate to Open With section, and here change the default app. You already have some here, but you can click Other and go to Applications and choose the app which you want. So for example, just change it, click on Add. Here it's gonna be changed, and if you, for example, open it, by default it wants to use another app to open it, just simply as that. You can always change it here, for example this one, and I want to open it, and as you can see it's using another app. If you need to, you can also use your Photoshop, some editors, etc. If you want to change it back, choose it back to preview. Then close this to finish the process, and that's it. If you have any questions, make sure to comment, also make sure to subscribe, and see you next time.